Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. Today I would like to show you how to put on and take off the fabric face mask that you can sew. This is the mask that I made. This is the front of the mask. This is the back of the mask. And on the back of the mask, it has a pocket where you can insert a removable filter. I made my filters out of non-woven polyester interfacing that you could purchase at your fabric store or online from your favorite fabric store. Again, this is the back of the mask. This is the front of the mask. And this particular one is made, the strings are made out of just ribbon. I tied knots in the end of them to keep them from pulling all the way through the casing. So to put this mask on, what you want to do, of course, is loosen the strings so you have a nice big loop to fit the mask over your head, and then holding the mask so that the front is facing you, simply slide the ribbon over the back of your head. Once you have the ribbon around the back of your neck, you're simply going to grab a hold of the loose ends of the ribbon and pull the mask towards your chin. You can see it's getting tighter and tighter. Once it's under your chin, you just grab a hold of the corners and pull it up over your face. And then I'm going to tie it behind the back of my head. There, you can see that was really easy, even though I struggled with tying it. The mask is comfortable. It fits snugly on my face. It can get a little warm in there after a while, but that's to be expected with any mask. Now let me show you how to properly remove your face mask. Again, I'm going to start by untying my mask. And then I'll pull it away from my face, and holding onto the corners of the mask, I'm going to pull it down the ribbon. And now it's, safely away from my face. I can remove it. And then to put it away, I'm going to fold the inside on itself. And now this mask is ready to be stored away. For storing it, I'm going to put it in a paper bag or some other type of breathable container. You don't want to put it in a ziploc bag or some kind of airtight container because there's moisture on that mask from where you've been breathing, and it can breed, of course, bacteria and germs that we're trying to prevent. So store it in an airtight container. Not an airtight container. Store it in a breathable container, such as a paper lunch bag. And from what I've read, and I am not a healthcare professional or an authority on disease control and infection control, is that you can reuse it. You can reuse it that day. So store it in your paper bag. When you need to use it again, you pull it out and you put it back on the same way with the front facing you. Tighten it up. Pull it over your nose, tie it behind you, and you're ready to go. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please hop on over to the Birch Cottage blog and leave me a comment. I hope to have the video tutorial and the pattern up there soon. Thank you, and everybody please stay healthy.